Good morning, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Menka Grace Thessalonica. You can call me Grace, and I am from Tourism Destination Study Program. So today, I would like to tell you about one of the most popular destinations in Jakarta, which is Puncak Bogor. There are three main parts of my presentation. The first is about the location, and the second one is about the accommodation, and lastly is about the transportation. Okay, so this is the beach of Puncak Bogor. Puncak Bogor is famous for the fresh air and beautiful nature, and you can see here there is so many tea plantation here and this view. You can see here so many full by tea plantation everywhere because it's Puncak and it's a mountain areas. So yeah, this is Puncak Bogor. The first one, let's talk about the location. Puncak is located in Bogor, West Java. And the second one, let's talk about the transportation. So from Jakarta to Bogor, it takes 2 to 3 hours by a car. You can go there by a private car, rent a car, or bus. If you use bus as a transportation, you can come to Lebak Bulus or Kampung Rambutan Terminal. But most of people is prefer to drive because it's more flexible. The last is about the accommodation. You can find out so many hotels, resort, and villa there. But here I will give you 3 hotels as an example. The first one is Royal Safari Garden Resort. This hotel is located in Cisarua near Taman Safari. The facilities there already is you can enjoy your meals with this view, and the next is this is the in front view of Royal Safari Garden. There is a restaurant too and swimming pools. So I guess this is the best choice for hotels for family. The second one is the Botanica Sanctuary. This hotel is a 5-star luxury hotel in the Puncak area, Jalan Safari number 101. This hotel is offering so many luxury facilities. There are some facilities I will show to all of you. There are a spa, a restaurant, and an infinity pool with a mountain view. So here the pool. There are mountain and tea garden view, and you can see the room is so elegant. In this hotel, there are so many luxury facilities. The last hotel is Aston Puncak Hotel and Resort. This hotel is known as well as so many people who comes to visit to Puncak. This hotel is located in Ciloto. So this hotel is surrounded by refreshing mountain air and green scenery. You can see this hotel is so luxury, and of course they are offering many luxury facilities too. There are a spa, a swimming pool, and meeting room, and other facilities. So yeah, just it. So thank you for listening to my presentation. If there are a word that I wrong on the grammar or else, I'm so sorry for it. Thank you.